Here is text effect for Photoshop, but protected password in this app. Here is my Facebook page, Buy Nova Lifetime, all password in this app. Okay, layer style, first open in Photoshop and then open this one, and last is installation and font used. Okay, cannot locate your link. Okay, okay, you see here hello. You can write anything here. For example, write Sheri. SK, and you need this font. Same thing here. Cyber. Mostly you need font. Cyberbank regular. Devil Breezy Timmy. Okay. That's mean these are fully editable. You can use in Photoshop. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me, download app for password. Take care. Allah.